I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the phone number and devices you'll use. Enter the number with country code, then request the SMS or call code. This verifies the new identity. Once done, add the account from Settings, Add Account, and follow on-screen prompts. Make sure to enable Cloud Sync so messages are accessible across devices. You're not creating a brand new profile unless you want. Instead, you're adding a second account that coexists with your primary one for easy switching. Once the account is added, configure profile details and privacy settings so contacts see what you intend. You'll also set separate notification patterns and chat folders to prevent message confusion. To switch, tap your avatar at the top left, then choose the account. This swaps chats and settings immediately. If you need two-factor authentication, enable it for added security. Keep one account personal and the other professional by labeling and customizing each. This reduces mistakes when sending messages or joining groups. To finish, set up any linked devices and test message flow so both accounts function smoothly. Use active sessions to manage devices and log out remotely if you lose access. Once done, organize chats into folders and pin important ones per account. If verification code doesn't arrive, request a call or wait a few minutes and retry. Make sure your number is entered correctly. If problems persist, revoke sessions and re-add the account. This clears stale tokens and typically resolves sync issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.